When you say spring cleaning, most people think of sprucing up their home interior. But how about sprucing up outside areas like your gutter system? Jason Phillips with Phillips Home Improvements joins us this morning. I'm about to break some of your gutters. You brought some pieces
Good morning.
This morning.
Yes.
We're happy to have you. What'd you get? What do you have here?
Well, these are just the components that go into a Phillips gutter system. For instance, these are called elbows. You can see here that this is a 3x4.
Okay.
And this one's a 2x3.
All right.
This is what most gutter systems are installed with, and this is what we use.
Okay, so the word is that Phillips installs the best gutter systems for North Texas homeowners. Explain to me why that is.
Well, first of all, homeowners in Texas know that when it rains, it pours.
That is true.
And so your gutter system is a key component to your home to protect your home, and you need a gutter system that's going to be up for the challenge, and that's what we do. Our Phillips system is custom designed for your home to direct the water where it needs to go.
Okay, well, we're going to talk about clog protection for a moment. You know, we all hear it, we know it's important, but why is it so important to have?
Well, again, if your gutters, for instance, this is a standard 5-inch K-style gutter here. This is a stamped steel mesh protection system here.
Okay.
And you want to keep the debris out. We find everything in these gutters, in old gutters. Tennis balls, clogging downspouts. We find birds' nests,
Really?
Broken shingles.
What's the random thing you've ever seen in a gutter, in the clog protection?
Oh, that's a good question.
Okay, I'll let you think about
it. Random, I don't know. It's pretty typical to see certain things, but they clog it up, and then it doesn't flow, and it doesn't do its job.
You know, for those who might be seeing this for the first time, if you go outside and say, hey, this isn't a part of my home, what advice would you have for them to, of course, one, start the process to get this, but also encourage them that this is something that's a priority on your list for spring cleaning?
Okay, so one of the things about gutters is it doesn't invoke the same feelings and emotions as painting does, the color. It's just it's a functional system, but it plays a key role in protecting your home, your foundation, your landscape, and the cost of a gutter system is much less than the potential repairs if you don't have a gutter system. So the best thing to do would be to call us,
of course,
let
yes.
us come out, give you a free evaluation,
okay.
and talk about your options.